the Ariah, aka Ollie, because that's what I call her. She and Nana went over the shed for some reason the other morning, and they found an unalive bird in the bar. Long story, won't even get into that why an unalive bird is in the bar, but they found one. This little girl bawled her eyes out, right? Bawled, I mean like tears herself.
She loves animals.
Yeah, tears herself flew, bro. And Nana,
in 1 mile, turn left
in
on
all her
Road.
splendor, decided, you know what, I'm gonna use this moment, make it into a teachable one.
You know how Caribbean parents are. Every moment can be a teachable
Every-
moment, okay?
Mama, Nana look at her and said, listen, that's why you have to eat up your food, because you're gonna be unalive like the bird. I'm like, duh. Like, what? You have to try, you have to tough,
Yeah, like your mental and emotional fortitude.
Can't wait. Can't wait, bro.
So now I'm just concerned. I'm like, damn, I have
How do
to
we
find
de-traumatize this little girl?